Hello everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I'm going to show you a review of a dress made for Olya. This is Burberry style dress. We made it in my fashion house. Original Burberry dresses are very expensive. Notice that the shoulders in these dresses are tiny. They are about 2.5 centimeters wide. The back neckline is round. There is a zip on the center back. There are also waist tucks on the back. The dress is made of checked fabric. The bottom of the dress is edged with a very beautiful lace. This is kind of a midi dress. It's pretty long. The shoes match the dress perfectly. The dress is very beautiful. I want you to understand that to look good, you don't need to wear garments of complicated designs. The color is also absolutely amazing. The silk fabric is of a very high quality. The design is pretty simple, but Olya looks absolutely amazing wearing this dress. This pair of shoes also matches the dress perfectly. The dress was made on the basis of Olya's basic pattern. We just made it longer and changed the shoulders. That's it. As I've already said, the dress is lined. I really wanted to show you this amazing dress. Olya, turn around, please. We stitched the lace to the bottom of the dress. It's not hard to stitch the lace. We tacked it and then stitched it with the zigzag seams. I don't recommend making concealed seams or stitching the lace by hands. It's not worth it. This piece of lace is also very beautiful. Don't be afraid of working with lace. Garments edged with lace are in trend now. You do not necessarily have to buy expensive lace. You can find a lot of different types of lace in the shops. I also want you to have a look at the front neckline. It's pretty deep. The shape is very beautiful. Notice that the back neckline is of different shape. It's round. We made this dress of 100% natural silk. The lace is synthetic. It looks good anyway. That's all I wanted to tell you about this dress. I want you to understand that to look good, you do not necessarily have to wear garments of complicated designs. Olya looks absolutely amazing wearing this dress, even though it's of a very simple design. It's accurate, and it's made of the very beautiful high-quality fabric. Such designs are very popular now. Don't be afraid of sewing and wearing silk garments decorated with lace. Modern fashion allows us wearing anything we want. Use your imagination and remember that practice makes perfect. As I've already said, don't be afraid of working with lace. Lace do not necessarily has to be expensive. Decorate bottoms, necklines, decorate some small details. The garments will look absolutely amazing. Don't be afraid to be different and beautiful. We're Paukshte Irina and Olya. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, press a like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.